my dear friends, and welcome to my channel Nitya's Art World. Today I am showing you all how to make this very beautiful quilled earrings. So let us start. First, join 3 brown strips together. Now using any round object, I am using my glue bottle and wrapping my strips around it. Also in between add glue or else it will get open. After wrapping it, just gently take it out. Now I am going to use my smaller glue bottle and 2 strips. Now I am going to use the cap of my bottle and wrapping it with 1 strip. Now just join all the 3 loops together. Using a 1/4 strip, make a small loop. Using a scissor, just cut it a little bit. Now add glue and just stick this loop on top. After it's dried, make sure that it is strong. Now I'm just going to insert this jump ring and this hook. If you want, you can stop at this step or continue. This I have made using 1 strip of white color. You need 4 to form a flower. One-fourth strip of yellow color. So in the same way I have created one more. Your beautiful earrings are ready to be used. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.